Good evening all, Mac Blogs here, aka Ian. Tonight I'm staying at the Carlton George Hotel here in Glasgow City Centre. Now I haven't stayed here before and I'm in the room just now. The hotel is small, I think. So tonight I am staying in a classic double room with a complimentary minibar. So I have free rein to the minibar. Now I'm not a big drinker, but I have had a sneak peek in there just so I know what I'm looking at, and there is some soft drinks there as well. So let's get this room tour started of the Carlton George Hotel here in Glasgow City Centre. As usual, I will start at the front door. So, at the front door, as I said, it's pretty old school with the type of room it is. It has got a chain here, which is unusual, so we slide it along like that, and then whoop, put it in. Lock, standard, I don't know what that is there, maybe an old letterbox. Peephole, or viewfinder, fire escape plan. I like these little old school switches here, tiny little switches. I'll skip the bathroom just now and have a look at the overview of the room itself first. So as soon as you walk in, this cupboard here, or a wardrobe, let's open this up. Now I've only briefly been in the room. Nice cupboard. Here's my socks, here's my feet, there's me, mirror in the wardrobe, hangers, iron board, iron and fan, which is all a great bonus. Don't usually get that in many hotels. This is classed as a 4-star hotel. You've got safe, little ducat, and I'll have a look at that in a minute as well. I was going to grab that a minute ago there, but have a look at that in a minute. Got a leg press here. Let's look at this just now. So you do have your laundry, so drop off laundry and dry cleaning service, so you can drop that off at reception, but I'll quickly scan this just now and you can have a look at your leisure just by pausing the video if you wish. Gives you an idea of the prices that's on offer at the Carlton George in Glasgow. So close this back over. Very old school wardrobe and a light as well. So as you come in, desk, chair, TV, little table here, double bed. I'm not seeing a lot of charging points. There's not many charging points bedside, if any. All I can really see is the lights, power switches itself, but you can have a look under yourself if you can see anything. I can't get that far. Let's look at drawers here. Nice photo of the City Chambers in George Square. I've got my phone on charge, my laptop, etc. That's the only outlet I could find apart from the two that you see there in the hallway. It was convenient for me to charge my phone. There's a TV there, mirror, drawers here, bin. As you come in here, look at this. Little unit. And it is complimentary minibar. Like I said, I'm going to be very careful with these crystal glasses. I'm not going to touch anything, but if you can just see it there, you've got vodka, you've got gin. I don't know what that is there. I'm not a big drinker, I'll be honest. Alcoholic drinks is not really for me. I have the odd drink here or there, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Very, very clean, especially being glass as well. Very clean. That's just a storage space. I had a little look in there beforehand. Nothing much in there. This is a bit random in here, but there is a power outlet there, I don't know if you can see that there because it is dark in this room. It says pull and swivel. So you pull this out and you can swivel it to there. I'm not really sure why, what the purpose, but get to that point and I can't swivel it anymore, so I have no idea why that exists. If you let me know in the comments, I'd appreciate that, but that's pretty random. In here, this makes sense. You've got the kettle, so I'm only guessing that is for up there. You put all that there, kettle, teas, etc. on that and move it out, but because of the power outlet. But I don't get the swivel idea. Anyway, ooh, Belgian chocolate. Look at that. I'll be taking them with me on my trip. I'm staying here tonight because I am going down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach tomorrow morning. So there's a hint for you guys to keep an eye out for that. If you'd like to see me down there. And look at this. This is the free complimentary minibar. Now because I am travelling down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach, I thought it'd be pretty cool to book this room because I'm taking all these with me. I'm taking this on my journey down with me. Why not? Because the room was only £89 for the one night, and I get to have a room next to the train station, or near the train station, not next to it, but near the train station. This is where this random bottle here. What's this? A little bit of Merlot. This train station is central to Glasgow, so I can get my train tomorrow morning very early and get down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. And that's really it to this room. Apart from the view, I don't really have a view. All I have this kind of little mini courtyard area. So no view really. Don't know what that says there. So there's nothing really to see view wise. And this little lamp here. My bags here as well. This area. Or this thing to unpack your bags on. Always forget the name of it. There is a free pen. What, is that a free pen? Can you take it with you? I don't know. What's the rules on that? Carlton George pen and paper. And the phone as well. Nice headboard there. Bed looks nice. Let's go into the bathroom. There's a thermostat there as well. So bathroom. I'm loving the tartan tile. See the tartan tile? I'm liking that touch. And this trim as well. Really cool. So big mirror, I'll step out of the way so you don't see me in the mirror. Nice big mirror. Real glasses rather than plastic ones. Then you've got some hand wash, moisturiser. This side here, some tissues, big mirror, shaver socket, shaver point, bin down there, towel, toilet, disposable bag. There's a heated towel rail, it's a nice touch. Keep those towels nice and warm for you coming out of the shower or the bath. In here you do have a bath in this hotel with a built-in shower there into the wall. You do have two grab rails over the bath. And again you have bath and shower gel just there, conditioner and some shampoo. It all looks clean, so no issues there. Apart from that light being out, that one's on, that one's out. Nice tiled floor. That's really it from the bathroom really. Go back into the room. That's really it. So not much to this room. The location's great. As I said, I am going down to Blackpool Pleasure Beach tomorrow for a few days, so if you want to see those videos, make sure you hit subscribe. And if you like this type of content, I do travel, adventure, theme parks, all those things. They cover a lot of things, but yeah, if you like the videos that I have on my channel, go check them out and show your support. It's free to subscribe. Hopefully you stick around, join the community, see me on Facebook, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. So, nothing really else to say apart from it is Halloween season, so I am doing a few Halloween things just now in October. I am going to Orlando end of the month as well, so if you want to see that content, I've just said what to do. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share, all that stuff. Until the next video, I will see you all then. Happy Halloween, bye bye.